Hi, I'm Jesus with GREE, here to talk about the H5 error code. H5 means the system has detected an IPM module synchronization issue, or an overcurrent condition. Before assuming a failed board or compressor, let's check the basics. Step 1. Start with airflow and installation. Make sure indoor filters, coils, and blower wheels are all clean. Confirm outdoor coils clear of debris with proper clearance. Verify all service valves are open and the system is properly evacuated. Check standing pressure against outdoor temperature with the PT chart. If the pressures are off, the system may have non-condensables in the system, which can cause a H5 error. Inspect wiring against the diagram and check the main board for visible damage. All the screws must be installed and tightened so heat transfers correctly through the paste to the heatsink. Missing this step can cause the new board to fail. For the compressor, unplug the leads at the compressor and check the resistance between UV, UW, and VW. The values should be equal, usually between 0.6 to 2 ohms. Then test each winding to ground. Resistance should be infinite. Any measurable reading in ohms can indicate the compressor is grounded. Keep in mind though, a mega ohm reading here to ground does not indicate a grounded compressor. Restore power and restart the system. If the compressor doesn't start, check amperage on all 3 legs. If amperage is present on each leg, but the compressor won't start, it's likely seized. If there's no amperage on 1 or more wires, the main board is failed. If the compressor runs but trips H5, the system could be overcharged, have a restriction, or a kink refrigerant line may be present, or there may be inadequate airflow, crossed piping, or faulty thermistors. When replacing a compressor, always identify the root cause, whether it's an overcharge, undercharge, restriction, or airflow. Otherwise, it's a matter of time before the new compressor fails. So check airflow, pressure, wiring, compressor operation, and main board installation. Thanks for watching, and remember, with GREE, we're by your side.